Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at the COMICA BoomX-U1. It's a lavalier mic. It is wireless and it also runs on a UHF frequency, which it makes it more efficient as a wireless lavalier mic. So let's go ahead, let's sit back and let's do this unboxing. Okay, so I did want to get a little close up and I did want to show some of these cables that do come with your COMICA BoomX-U1. This right here is the XLR audio output cable. It does come with a 3.5 millimeter jack here, and this is going to be pretty much all these cables are for your receiver here. This of course is going to be a XLR cable, so it is going to go in the output section right here. So it is going to connect right here to the output, and you're going to connect it to whatever XLR audio system that you might have. So it's nice that it comes with this for, you know, a little bit more, you know, systems that have just a little bit more pronunciation in audio. This is pretty cool. The next thing we are going to be taking a look at is the lavalier mic here. This is also 3.5 millimeters. This lavalier mic is a pretty nice mic. It's well made. The clip and everything over here is all metal. It also has this little feeder like that. You can feed the cable like that. You can put it on your on your lapel. So really nice. It also does come with, like I said before, it does have this little clip on the end of it. Now this little clip and everything, this is all plastic, but it's a really good feeling plastic. It doesn't seem like it's going to break on you. And of course this is going to connect on your transmitter. Your transmitter already does have a microphone, but if you want to extend it with a lavalier mic, it's going to plug right in here, and that little clip is going to clip right in there, just like so. And what it's going to do, it's going to hold it in place like that. It doesn't pop out, and when you want to take it out, all you have to do is just pop that out, and it's going to work perfectly there. Now the next part of the audio cables we're going to be looking at, this is clearly marked right here. This is for cameras and camcorders. So it is, I like the fact that they did put tags on these like that. You'll know that this cable right here is going to go into your camera, and the other part is going to go into the receiver right here, and it is going to go right in here. So you're going to put this right into where it shows you the headphone part right there, and this part is going to go into your camera. So the other way that you can tell what goes into what, this cable right here is clearly marked, and it tells you right here this is for cell phones, which I like. The fact is that they, like I told you before, that they did specify right here. It says smartphone right there. So this part right here is going to go into your smartphone. Now the other way that you can tell is you can see these little rings. You have 1, 2, 3, and this one right here has just 1, 2. Well, that's the way it signifies, just in case you guys end up getting another cable and it's not clearly marked. You can know what goes into what. So this is going to connect into your smartphone, and this end is going to connect into your receiver right here. So it's going to go again where you see the mark right there of the little headset thing. That's going to go in snug in there, and then this part is going to go into your smartphone. Let's see. So the next thing we are going to have is, again, the cable here, camera and receiver. And the other thing we're going to have right here is the USB to USB-C. So this is going to be the plug-in again when you need a charge. Let's see, the charging ports are going to be right here on the side. You're going to have your reset, and you're going to have your C port right here to plug in your device to charge. So it's going to go plugged in right there. And on the transmitter, it's going to be on the side as well. Turn this around, and again, you're going to have right here, you're going to have your C port there, reset, and you're going to have your IR right there where it's going to communicate back and forth to the receiver. And the port for that on the receiver is right up here. There is your IR right there as well. So, and the next thing I did want to show is going to be for the transmitter, and it is going to be this little dead cat that it comes with for like all the wind noise and everything. You're going to be able to just put this right over it, just like so, and it's going to help if you have any wind noise and everything. You're not going to get all that distorted air sound or nothing like that. It's going to block all that, and you're going to get a much higher quality audio sound. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the transmitter here. At first I was thinking it was made out of some kind of aluminum, both of them, the transmitter and the receiver. It's just so well made, but it is a very, very hard plastic. So let's go around it. This is the antenna over here. They say for best reception, it's good to put it all the way down at 180 degrees. Like that, you can get the best signal. We are going to be testing that a little bit later on. I'm going to put that back there. The mic's going to go right there. I showed you that's where the clip goes. It does have a built-in microphone here. And also here is a mute button, and the power button's up here. So if you turn it on, let's go ahead and let's see if it has any power. As you can see, it's going to start blinking because it is going to be trying to find a receiver. I do not have the receiver on right now. Alright everyone, so let's take a closer look at the receiver. Let's go up top. Again, really made out of that really nice plastic. At first, like I said before, I did think these were metal. These are just so well made. And you have an output here. You got your IR right up here. It's not going to be on the side like the other one because you have dual antennas on either side. Now, I am going to tell you why you do have dual antennas. Now, down here, you are going to have your up and down for your channels. And this is going to be the power. Let's go ahead and turn this power on. Let's see if it can. It says COMICA is going to come on. Now it's going to show you the different channels. Now, this is what it means by this. Now, yes, because you have two antennas on here does not mean that this is going to connect to both antennas. Now, this is going to be your transmitter A, which is going to be on this right here. And you do have 47 channels. So you are going to be able to find 47 channels on this. Now when you put your antenna, you're only going to use this one unless you have two transmitters. That's the only way it's going to transmit to the other antenna. So this is A, and then if you were to get another one, because they do have units that come with two transmitters instead of one, you would put on both channels, you would have one in A and one in B. So then you would just find your channels there. Now, here are the settings right here. This is the settings button. It's going to go to menu, and then you're going to be able to use your keys up and down as well. Group A, Group B, and you're going to be able to pick which group you're looking for. Now let's go, and then it's just going to show you version 1.0.6. And then pick your language. You're going to be able to pick your language. Screen flip, because, okay, this is the cool thing about this one. Say you have this on your hot shoe mount. Now, this clip also does act as a hot shoe. Okay, so right here on the flip screen, if you hit this and you turn flip screen on, what it's going to do it's going to flip your screen. So if you have your camera this way and you're able to look, you can actually see your screen, and it flipped over for having it right on your hot shoot mount. So that is pretty neat that you can actually flip your screen just like so. That's pretty cool that you can do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and pair these two and see how they work. See if we can go ahead and pair this up. Okay, that's a volume 0. Let's go up to 15. Let's go to okay, let's pair right here. Let's go ahead and let's see, yes, auto pair, and let's turn this on. Let's hit to A. Yes, pairing. Let's try this again. Okay, there you go. It's blinking there. Try this again. Just to auto pay. Let's see, let's try to do this again. Alright, you can see the lights blinking, and there you go. Yes to pair, auto pair, yes. Okay, so there you go. Okay everyone, so what I did right here is I'm laying out everything I'm going to be using for the COMICA BoomX-U1. I'm going to be testing out the mic, so I am going to be using this cable, and I am also going to be using the Dead Cat, and I am also going to be testing out the Lavalier mic. And if anybody's interested, the camera I'm going to be using for this is going to be the Osmos Action from DJI. I got this camera, and you can put external audio on it. Here is the little thing that you need to pop off the door and put the external microphone like that. You can put an external microphone, and I am going to be using this cage here from Small Rig, and I am also going to be using this right here. This is going to be for my tripod mount that I am going to be using. So I'll put everything in the description if you guys are interested in any of this equipment, including the COMICA BoomX-U1. They also have the 2, and that one actually comes with 2 transmitters. This only comes with 1, but the one with the 1 transmitter, I believe it's like $142 or $149, and the one with the 2 transmitters, yeah, I believe it has a coupon right now, and you can get it for a little under $240 or $249. I'll have all that in the description. Alright, so the way you're going to clip this on, I was confused about that in the beginning too. This part right here is too thick, so what you're going to do is you're going to use this back part. It has like little, I don't know if you can see them, they're like little bites in there that are going to go into this a rubber plate back here. And what you're going to do is you're going to just slide it on there, and it's going to go right in there, and it's going to sit right on there. So you're going to put, let's go ahead and let's just connect this like that. I can show you guys. You're going to take this right here, you're going to stick it right into the jack of the DJI Osmo Action. You're going to put that right in there. Make sure it clicks in there right, because if it doesn't click in there right, your audio feed's going to be coming in and out. So you want to make sure you place that really well. And then you're going to put it right here, right on the jack, right here. You're going to plug that sucker right in. And then what you're going to do, all you got to do is just turn on your camera, and you'll be ready to go. Alright, so audio test. We're going to be testing the audio from inside the transmitter. So it does, like I said before, it does have a microphone right there. So testing, testing, testing. Let's see. Yep, I see my little microphone symbol up there. It is working back and forth. And remember, this needs to be facing 180 degrees, like that you can get the best signal. And remember, this is transmitter A, so you're going to have your antenna up here also facing out as well, like that you can get your best signal. So testing 1 2 3. Please everyone, do let me know how this audio sounds. Now what I did is I also lowered down the volume as well, because what was happening, I was also having a lot of it just sounded really muffled. Alright, so the next thing we are going to be testing is the lavalier mic. Tell me how the audio is coming out of here. I will check it in post to see how more or less it sounds good or not, and I'm going to leave it the same, like that you guys can hear. Alright, so the next thing I am testing is this dead cat that does come with as well. I want to see how it sounds. I know you're not really going to get a really big test. Just like I said before, you just got my air conditioning on here. I am going to test it outside. I am going to be doing a full review on the DJI Osmos Action. So I will be testing it outside, and I'll make sure I get some wind, like that we can hear what the wind noise sounds on this, and I'll be giving feedback on how well it does perform. Hey everyone, so I do have the mic here. I have it on the transmitter. I did want to thank everyone for joining me today and checking out the COMICA BoomX-U1. I think it's a really good bargain. I will have it in the description down below, and I will also have everything else that I use, camera, rigs, all that stuff down below as well. I want to thank everyone again for joining me. Please everyone, do check me out on Instagram and Facebook. Check out my website. I have a lot of different type of photos and everything. I am a photographer. I do a lot of photographing. I like to do photographic art type pictures, so go check those out. I do have some for sale there. Please everybody, go check out my Amazon store, and it does help this channel out. It doesn't no cost to you guys. Just go over there and shop just like you normally do, and it gives me back a few pennies, like that I can keep this channel going. I thank everybody for everyone that has participated and has supported this channel. Thank you very much, and please everyone, do like and comment down below, and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.